This is DJI Mini 5 Pro, and in today's video I'll show how you can customize and change some button controls of your remote controller. So first you will need to enter the flight interface and launch settings. Here select the control category, scroll down and look for the button customizations. On this page you can customize the C1, C2 buttons, so for example those are the available actions that you can assign to those buttons. You can also change the dial, right dial function, as well as the function for the hold C1 plus right dial and hold C2 plus right dial macroses or keybinds. And well, as far as this video goes, that'll be it. So thanks for watching and bye bye.